Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a review of a £5 coin. It is the latest in the Chinese New Year videos, and this is the Chinese Year of the Dragon. It is a 2024 issue coin. I have two versions of it. I have the blue card version here, which is from Change Checker. It's a £5 coin. I won't be using this, but I'm just showing you that I've got it, and this will be in my blue card collection. With these Chinese New Year coins, celebrating the New Year, it's in red, and red is a very auspicious colour for the Chinese, and I believe this Chinese writing is the Year of the Dragon. On the front you have a Chinese dragon, and then you have some information about the Chinese dragon. So let's just start on the inside. It goes on about the dragon in Chinese culture. Please, if you want to view this at any time, please just pause the video and read the writing. So the first one, it says the dragon in Chinese culture. We then have the Spring Festival with one of the dancing Chinese dragons in the background. The third leaf talks about the thing is on golden. It's a bit difficult to read. I think that's Shungji celebration. Now, this red envelope or red package that you sometimes get in Chinese culture, the children receive coins within the Chinese New Year package for their future lives. And again, then the next inside leaf talks about the Shangdai or Shangdao collection. And there you have some of the symbols of the year, the different years, with the dragon being there at the top. Then on the back, you just have a little bit of information about the year of the dragon and the coin specifications. I'll read out for you what it says about the Chinese Year of the Dragon. It says, let me get the bins on to help me. As black against red is not the best combination if your sight is not 100%. It says the Year of the Dragon, Spring Festival. Oh, blimey. Spring Festival to bring in a new year. It's an annual thing. Now the year and the sequence depends on when about in the race that the emperor set up that the animals arrived back to him. It depends on which year they are in the sequence. I.e. the first year was the rat, which was the year I was born, and it was the first of the animals to actually get back to the emperor, so he was the first animal in the series of the zodiac years for the Chinese culture, Chinese New Year culture. There's 12 of them. This one here shows you the portrait of Charles III on the obverse with the date of 2024. So this is the first coin that's been minted with the year 2024 on that we've seen. On the front, or on the obverse rather than the front, where's me pointy thing? There it is. We have a dragon that's curled or furled up, and the head is down in this bottom corner, in this bottom area here. We have the Year of the Dragon going across the top. And if you have a look at this particular portrait here, this is the actual portrait that's on the coin of the dragon. It's not the easiest to decipher on this coin, although it's a very, very nicely designed coin. You have to look very closely to see the individual parts of the dragon, which is one of the few drawbacks to this coin. However, this design is far better than some recent coins that have come out of the Royal Mint. So, what do you think of this coin? I do like this coin. I like these Chinese series of coins of the Chinese different zodiac years. I think they're a wonderful set. In previous, they've done a full set of 12 silver ones prior to this particular set starting, this cupel nickel set starting. So I'm looking forward to the rest of them in this series, and collecting the rest of them and having the blue card versions as well. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. If you believe I deserve it, could you please also subscribe to the channel? Again, it doesn't cost you anything. I am looking to up my subscription level to 250 by the turn of New Year 2024. I'm currently at 226 as of the 23rd of September. So I'm on target for that, but I still need your help to get over the to hit the target. If I do 4 videos a week, a minimum 4 videos, I usually release 5 videos a week. So hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I hope you've enjoyed more than one video that I produce, but that's your personal taste. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you get the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins or banknotes or whatever you're buying, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. And finally, if you stayed here for the whole video, thank you. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.